Hello coin engineer, welcome to our channel, our coin engineer channel. Today I'm gonna release new video. Yes, especially as you know, we are releasing new content, video content playlist for newcomers because there are a lot of newcomers at the cryptocurrency market, and I think as a coin engineers we need to give a lot of major necessary information: how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy altcoin, how to use Binance and other central exchange. Doesn't matter, just let's get started. First of all, we need to register and then log into Binance. If you not yet registered on Binance, that's also sad moment. Kidding. And then you are find out at the description video our registration link because you will get 20% discussion commission paying discount for especially for coin engineer followers. Yes, not a matter, never mind. And then you can just click and then put your informations, and if you have not watched our video, you can get at the right corner from right corner of this video to achieve our playlist and then learn how to register on Binance, how to buy Bitcoin, altcoin on the Binance, and that's it. And first of all, we need to click trade as you can see, or just trade that, and you need to buy really altcoin. You need to just spot, and then you are seeing we are at the Bitcoin side. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you absolutely need to go to this page, and then right now you are seeing Bitcoin USDT, and just scroll down and you will see yes, buy Bitcoin. And for example, you have a for example right now I have a 2254 USDT, and I wanna buy from these prices. I mean $2,000, $62.7 thousand, doesn't matter. And then if you wanna buy immediately, just click market because there is no any exact point buy. Just click buy if you want to just click buy and click Bitcoin. That's it. You need to absolutely use market, but don't forget that you will get a little bit more commission than limit side. Limit has a fewer commission than market, but market is not. And then, for example, what is the advantage and disadvantage of limit? For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin from, for example, $60,000, you can absolutely use limit off. And for example, I wanna buy Bitcoin and I wanna buy $100, and then that's even 39%. I mean 40% of my total budget. And then when Bitcoin down from there to 6,000, even let me see. I need to change time frame, and then from drop it from there, for example, buy Bitcoin to 60,000. Automatically Binance will buy Bitcoin for $100 for you, and automatically you will see when Bitcoin drop it from the 2,000 to 60,000. That's it. The Bitcoin automatically buying from there from 60,000 thanks to limit, and you will pay so fewer than market. And then right now, for example, you are thinking the Bitcoin will up from there and you don't need to wait 1,000 or other points. You just click market and, for example, buy one Bitcoin or which amount, how many you are can buy Bitcoin. For example, right now I can use 254 Bitcoin just using this USDT, and then just put that and click buy Bitcoin. That's it. From there, I mean from there, from 2 and $73 from this point, you will absolutely and successfully get, because you are at the market side. You are ordering with market order, and then you can use stop limit, stop market. That is so confusion. And if you are newcomer right now, still you are don't need to learn that, because you can just use market and limit. They are just so easily, and you can cross use related grid. You can use them. But I said again, you are a newcomer. First of all, you need to grasp and understand 100%. First of all, then don't worry, I will release new video content and I'll explain other and whole market order types at the Binance. Yes, you can just buy Bitcoin and how to buy altcoins. That and or click search area. For example, I want to buy Solana USD. I have a USD. That means, and then I want to tell my USD to buy Solana. That's it. And then just scroll down again, and then you are at the spot side, use limit, and then want, I already said and talked about that, get, and then put amount. I want to buy one Solana, click buy Solana, and that's it. That's so easy to buy. What should you do? And then just click trade, click spot, just search which altcoin you want to buy, and then scroll down, and then put limit or market order, and then buy Bitcoin or Solana. That's it. And that's so easy method which one you can apply for whole altcoin, which one is listed on the Binance. And if you want to learn any more as a newcomer on the cryptocurrency market cryptocurrency side, because there are too more and a lot of things to learn and to get more money, I will provide you. Just subscribe our channel and smash the like button. In general, just support us to releasing everyday new video content. And yeah, that's it. See you on the next time, and see you on the next bullish time.